Hi, folks. It's Rich Moyer. I want to talk about my IM partners and how to send a broadcast message to your subscribers. I have one list and one subscriber, me. So I'm just testing this out, but I want to just demonstrate how you can quickly generate a a broadcast message. First thing I'm going to do, you have to assume you have to have your list already developed, and you have to have a subscriber on that list. Otherwise, it's not going to go. And so you click your campaigns and you just want to create a regular campaign. So here you are, you're going to create new. And here you're just going to give it a campaign name. Well, I'm going to give it one that I just, why did that come up like that? Oh, yeah. This is my newsletter that went out yesterday. All right, so I'm choosing the list. All right, and I'm going to a SendGroup here. I'm going to just say my VIP partner, my IM partners. First look, it says just start typing. Save and next. Okay, so here you don't have to do anything at all on this page except change from plain text to no. All right, you want to be able to format that. And I want my email stats sent here. So when the email goes out, I want to know how many received it. And tracking options, I don't need to do anything with that. Same way with A/B test. And we're going to go save and next. Now here's where I'm going to create my my broadcast message, and I'm going to go into source because that's how I do it here. I paste the HTML, and that gives me a document. Now this is going to be a little bit of a problem because you have to have, and I'm going to show you what it means. You have to have at least two of these labels or the macros on each and every email that goes out. So let's go save and next, and it's going to give me an error. It has a few errors, so it's going to tell me what I need to do. So I need to have these two. So grab these, and then just go down to the end of your message. And here's where I'm going to install those. And just to give them some direction, I'm going to say, see if I can type, please use this link to unsubscribe. All right, and that'll show up so that they can unsubscribe if they don't want to receive anymore. So it tells you what you need to do right down here. You just need to follow the directions. So here you're going to save and next. And this is all right. Everything looks good there. And I'm going to save changes and schedule the campaign. Now it's going to ask me, when do I want to schedule it? Well, it said it's right here, and it'll be successfully saved and start sending at 11:31 a.m. Well, it should send immediately. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and let's see. Let me just make sure it didn't go to spam. It did not. It might take a little bit to send, so it'll let me know when it sends. I'll get a message here on this particular ID when it does send. But it's in process. It's in the queue, and this might be actually Central Time. So that right now it's 11:34 here in Eastern Time. It might be an hour. It might be the clock is set to Central Time. So I'll have to have to ask Dave that. But here we go. I sent it out. It's not recurring, and let's see what the stats are here. Nobody's received it yet because it hasn't sent. It's still pending. All right, so it's delayed, but it will send when the time comes up. All right, that's it. That's how you send a broadcast message to your list, and based on the fact that I've just sent two, That means that there doesn't seem to be any restriction to the number that you can send to your list. So if you're sending to your subscribers, you can send broadcasts out, although a little bit of caution, don't send too many. And your autoresponder messages, you want, probably one a day, or, one every couple of days. But if you're sending broadcasts every day is okay, but just don't overwhelm them and don't beat them to death with sales messages. What you want to do is tell them your experiences, tell them your opportunities, tell them things that you've been working on. That works better than just sending out a sales page. Okay, I do a newsletter. My own. I spend a lot of time putting content together, so I do a newsletter of things I'm working on. Here's the tips and hints, and here's new videos I've posted, and all kinds of stuff like that is of interest to my subscribers. Well, I want to keep them engaged. I want them to know this stuff. I want to give them free promo codes. I want to tell them about traffic deals that I have. So everybody on my lists, all of them, gets the same newsletter, and that's just the way I've chosen to do that. You may want to think about that. Think about what kind of content you want to give them. Now, the good news is you don't really have to do anything until you start to build up a list of maybe 30 or 50. I wouldn't work on putting too many broadcasts out for that, but I would give them the opportunity to see what you're working on at least once a week. Thanks again.